Thank you. What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a short holiday. I want to visit some friends and see the city.
That's nice. How long will you stay?
About 10 days.
Okay, do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Good. And where will you stay during your visit?
I will stay at a hotel near the city center. Here is the address.
Perfect. Did you bring enough money for your stay?
Yes, I did. I also have a credit card.
Great. Everything seems fine. Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing to declare.
All right. Enjoy your visit.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a nice day.
Hi, it's nice to see you here. What are you having today?
Hi, I'm thinking about getting a cappuccino. How about you?
I love cappuccinos too, but today I want a hot chocolate.
Oh, hot chocolate sounds nice. Do you like it with whipped cream?
Yes, a little whipped cream makes it perfect. Do you like sugar in your cappuccino?
Just a little, not too much. I like the coffee taste.
Me too. So, do you usually get any snacks with your drink?
Yes, I love croissants, especially chocolate ones. How about you?
I like muffins. Blueberry muffins are my favorite.
That's good. I tried a blueberry muffin here last week. It was really tasty.
Yes, it's really fresh. Have you tried their cookies?
Not yet. Which one do you recommend?
The chocolate chip cookie is amazing, very soft and sweet.
I love chocolate chip. I think I'll try one today.
Great choice. So, do you come to this coffee shop often?
Yes, almost every weekend. It's my favorite place to relax.
Me too. I like the quiet atmosphere and the nice sunlight.
Exactly. It's perfect for reading or chatting with a friend.
And the drinks and snacks are always delicious.
Definitely. Okay, I'll order a cappuccino and a chocolate chip cookie.
And I'll get my hot chocolate and a blueberry muffin.
Sounds perfect. Let's enjoy.
I need a book about animals for my school project.
Okay. Are you looking for any animal in particular?
Not really. Maybe something about wild animals, like lions or elephants.
All right. We have some books about wildlife here. Follow me, please.
Thank you. How do I know which book is good for my age?
You can look at the label on the spine. It shows the reading level.
Oh, I see. This one looks interesting. Wild Animals Around the World.
Yes, that's a good choice. It has pictures too, which makes it easier to read.
Perfect. Can I borrow it today?
Yes, of course. You just need your library card.
Here is my card. How long can I keep the book?
You can keep it for 2 weeks. If you need more time, you can renew it online.
That's great. Do you have other books about lions?
Yes, in the animal section. I can show you after you borrow this one.
Thank you very much, sir. I really like this library.
You're welcome. I'm happy you enjoy it.
I will take good care of the book.
I'm sure you will. Enjoy your reading.